Hi, this is Tuesday of week 25. Question 1. The angles in the triangle are 40 degrees and 85 degrees, plus the third angle has to be 55 to add up to 180. Number 2. 400,000, 600,000, 800,000. Next one is 1 million because it's 10 100,000, but you can't have 10 100,000. It's 1 million. 90. Take away x equals 200, so x equals 700. Question number 4. 10 to the power of 5 is 1 with 5 zeros. It's 100,000. Question number 5, minus 4 and minus 12 is minus 16. Question number 6, 900 divided by 30 in brackets multiplied by 5. Okay, so 900 divided by 30 is 30. It's the same as 90 divided by 3 actually, if you were to take away one of the zeros in each. Anyway, that's 30. 30 multiplied by 5 is 150. Question number 7, halve 1/8. To halve a decimal, you multiply the number at the bottom by 2, make it twice as big. So that's going to be 1 over 16. 1/16 is half of 1/8. In the same way as 1/4 is half of 1/2. Okay, number 8, 1.6 multiplied by 0.3 is 0.48. If 4/5 of your class, number 9, of 25, eat porridge for breakfast, how many do not? Well, if 4/5 do, 1/5 don't. So what you're really getting is 1/5 of 25. Now you could get the 4/5 of 25 and then take it away. That seems like a long way of doing it. If you can just get 1/5 of 25, that's your answer. 1/5 of 25 is 5. Question number 10. Name this 3D shape. It's a pentagonal pyramid. It's got a pentagon on the bottom there. And it's a pyramid because it goes up to a point. How many faces has the above shape? Okay, so it's got one pentagonal face on the bottom, and it's got 5 triangles going up to the point here. One from each side of the pentagon. So that's 6 faces. How many edges does it have? Well, it's got 5 around the pentagon at the bottom, and again 5 more going up to the point here on the top. That's 10. And how many vertices or points or corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the pentagon at the bottom, and the one extra one on the top is 6. Question number 14. How many box B will fit evenly into box A? Well, box B is 2 centimeters squared, box A is 70 centimeters squared. So the whole thing together, you will get 35 of box B into box A. Question number 15. Write 9 over 1000 as a decimal. Well, it's over 1000, it's got 3 decimal places, so it's 0.009. Question number 16. 7.569 take away 5.241 is 2.328. Question number 17. 1/2 plus 1/3. Well, we can't add them together because the number in the bottom, the denominator, is not the same on tandem nor. So we have to change it. What you would do is you would write out the multiples of 2 and of 3. 2, 4, 6, 8. And of 3, it's 3, 6. You would realize that 6 is the first number on both. I've done that off the screen. 6 is the first number, that's a multiple of both. So you would change 1/2 to something over 6. That's 3 over 6. Because you multiply both numbers by 3. And you would change 1/3 to 2 over 6 because you would multiply both numbers by 2. And then you can add 3 over 6 and 2 over 6. When you add 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, your answer is 5 over 6. Question number 18. 8 kilograms, 250 grams is 8 and 250 over 1000 kilograms. That's equal to 8.25 kilograms. You can have the 0 there if you wish. It's not important. Number 19, the area of this non-regular shape. You have to do, as we've done before many times, it's break it up into regular squares or rectangles. So I've done it this way. You can do it any number of different ways. So this one here is 3 by 5, that's 15. This one here is 3 by 3, that's 9. And this is 12, this must be 2, so that's 24. You add them all together, you get an area of 48 square meters. And then by adding all the different lengths of the sides together, you get the perimeter. And the perimeter is 46 meters, not square meters. And today's problem solving question. So a large container of maple syrup, which we have here, is used at Pancakes Cafe. The chef uses 3/5 of the container in 10 days. How many liters does he use? So if you look at the big containers, 50 liters. Well, 3/5 is 3 over 5 of 50. It's going to be 30 liters. That's 30. And then on average, how many liters does the chef use each day? Well, that was for 10 days, wasn't it? So 30 liters in 10 days, each day he's going to be using an average of 3 liters. A lot of maple syrup.